Hi guys, I wanted to show you the February scent and warmer of the month. So the warmer is this Twine to Unwind. It's a bohemian style and it's a bulb warmer. So inside is a 20-watt bulb, and then this glass cylinder goes in, and then your warmer dish lies on top. So it says that the light shines through the hand woven twine, and I'll put a clip in of the warmer turned on. It's 7 inches tall, and this would look really good with different colored light bulbs too. So it's 10% off the whole month of February. The scent of the month is pink coconut. This is also 10% off the whole month. It comes in a Scentsy bar wax, a room spray, and also a scent circle. And everything's 10% off for the month of February. It's a soft smell. It's raspberry, earthy pink clay, creamy coconut, and Tahitian vanilla. All right, guys. Thank you for watching.